Watch me make this cute Miniverse Easter basket. And at the same time, I'll be making a full-size one for myself. Let's start by dyeing the eggs. For the Miniverse eggs, I filled the little bowl with water, dropped the eggs in, and swirled them around until the white finish dissolved. For the full-sized eggs, I filled these cute spritz egg dyeing cups from Target with a tablespoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of water, and a drop of gel-based food coloring. I mixed everything together into a very dry paste, then brushed the different color pastes onto the eggs. Once all the eggs were colored, I poured vinegar on top of them. Putting the eggs in a muffin tin for this step makes it easy to quickly pour the vinegar. I rotated my eggs a few times to ensure even coloring. Then when the vinegar and baking soda stopped fizzing, I took the eggs out of the tin and set them aside to dry. Just for fun, I filled these cute plastic eggs with some Easter meringues I made. Meanwhile, the Miniverse version up there is looking so cute. Look at that tiny chocolate bunny. For my full-size basket, I found this really cute chocolate bunny from Target. Look how cute the full-size and mini versions look together. I like to imagine the mini version is for a little calico critter bunny. I hope this gave you some fun ideas for decorating your own Easter basket.